You can use your iPhone as a tethering device by activating the personal hotspot feature on it. It allows you to share your internet through cellular data connection to other smartphone users. This is a good option if Wi-Fi access is limited or not available in your area. Hey guys, in this video, I will be showing you what to do if the personal hotspot isn't working on your iPhone. First solution, perform the forced restart on your iPhone. Assuming you've already checked that the personal hotspot is enabled, then the problem may be just a minor one. You must first do the forced restart to refresh your device's memory and reload all services. Here's how. Quickly press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power key for 15 seconds or until the Apple logo shows on the screen. Your iPhone will continue the usual boot process. When the reboot is complete, try to see if cellular data is now fixed. Second solution, reset all network settings on your iPhone. After doing the first trick and the problem persists, the next thing you have to do is refresh all network or wireless services on your iPhone. You can do so by resetting all network settings. Don't worry, none of your files will be deleted. Here's how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap Generals. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security locks. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. Third solution, factory reset your iPhone. If the problem continues after the previous solution, then it's time to reset your iPhone. A reset should be able to fix this problem. But before you actually do that, make sure to create a backup of your important files, as they will be deleted. When ready, follow these steps to reset your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap Generals. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security locks. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset and then set it up as a new device. I hope that the simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.